Tulum isn't just about lazing away on a beach all day. There's also some great experiences with art and nature to be had. And one of those experiences is visiting Sfer Ik, the Tulum location. And in this video, we're going to talk all about our experiences there. But first, I'm Cassandra from Passport and Soul. And at Passport and Soul, we help BIPOC travelers travel soulfully and with ease. Now back to the video. Visiting Sfer Ik isn't like any other ordinary museum exhibit. It's actually an experience and one that aims to help you connect back to nature. From the moment you first see it, walk in and remove your shoes, all the way until the moment that you leave. As they say on their website, the museum was built to incorporate the nature that surrounds it, acting as a shelter of cohabitation for fauna and flora, as well as contemporary design. Its architecture seamlessly weaves in native trees, vines, and natural wildlife. And that's absolutely true. As you walk through the museum, your feet touch concrete and wood. Now, I made the mistake of wearing sandals the day that we visited and can attest that the wood was painful to walk on, but luckily it was in limited spots. Otherwise, the visit was beautiful. It was a blend of modern technology with television sets showing films created by artists and the sights and sounds of nature. It's beautifully designed and feels as if you're walking into the mouth of a tree. Here's a quick video showing you the inside of the main space. One of our favorite parts of Sfer Ik was what I'm calling the meditation room. It was a beautiful space for you to contemplate whatever. I loved this room. Not only was there space to sit and admire the beauty all around you, there was also meditative music playing, which really did encourage people to slow down and enjoy the moment. Here's a quick video of the meditation room. There are wonderful nooks and crannies to explore, but the thing that we enjoyed most about the visit was the fact that we were able to slow down and really enjoy the experience of being in this beautiful place. Because after all, that's one of the things that Passport and Soul is all about, being in the moment and savoring it, connecting to the people and the place where you are, and taking care of yourself in the process. Being able to connect to nature while you're doing this is like the cherry on top of the cake. So if you're in Tulum, I would really encourage you to take some time and go see Sfer Ik. Of course, as with any museum, the exhibits change, so what was happening when we were there might be different when you visit. It's open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily, and the cost is approximately 400 Mexican pesos. And I'll link to the website in the notes. If you've ever visited Sfer Ik, let us know in the comment section how you enjoyed it. Were you able to stop and just be for a while? Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and forward the video on to someone else. Until next time.